me, sir, are you here to do racing today?
No, we're here not to break the car or do anything dumb with it.
Is it a car show? Are we just gonna look at it? Well, I don't think she's gonna get any beauty awards.
No, definitely not. Thing don't make it go fast though. I'm in competition with Beater Bomb.
I think Beater Bomb's prettier. Just gonna throw that one out there. Right. Yeah. Why is there a random bunny on my car? Apparently we are introducing Flopper. He's a Snailfed performance bunny. Yeah. And he is hugging my side view mirror. Okay then.
In the tech inspection line.
That's badass.
Anybody has a spare for one of our racers who has belts that are out of date?
Not something you see every day.
No, that's all right.
Right?
That's what makes it interesting.
You're having way too much fun on that scooter. Look at her go, ladies and gentlemen.
I've never seen anything like that, man.
Alright, so we just got back from the tech line. How'd everything go there?
Good.
Good. Had quite a few people checking it out.
Because they're not used to seeing a 4-cylinder in a Foxbody.
Told a couple people you left the other half of the engine in the truck.
Yeah.
So are they gonna let you run the other classes afterwards, or?
I don't know. I don't know yet.
Yeah.
I don't know if you got to get your license first or what.
All right. So basically today what's going on is we've got the car out here. Nate's actually qualifying for licensing for a NHRA license. So he'd already started the process. There was a local track rental about a month ago that he brought the car out to, and he made a few passes and whatnot on it. Basically went like 858 on the 1,000-foot pass. So today he's gonna have to go out there and complete his licensing pass, which is basically making his 2 full quarter-mile passes and everything. So, you know, running at 858, we're already at a point where we're gonna have to take some power out of the car anyway, just because Cage right now is only certified for 850s. So it'd be kind of a shame to go ahead and get his NHRA license and then get booted from our local track just because he doesn't have chassis serving his Cage. So anyway, we're going over a few things here in the car, just getting everything set up, anticipation, waiting for us to be able to make our pass. We've got Jake here today with a laptop helping out too, and yeah, it should be a fun day, pretty exciting, and actually get to see what the hater saying is going to actually do.
All right, here we go. First quarter-mile pass. Hopefully you can hear me.
So yeah, 9.7, 159 miles an hour with a 1.7 60 foot. Woo. Well, that looked fun.
Well, good news is the misfire's gone. So some of the wiring that we did fixed it. And I had to pedal it because it just blew the tires off, and you know,
yeah,
it is what it is.
Yeah, we got a.
Yeah, dude, I was like, come on, and I just geared down. So the parachute's gonna be a must until these brakes are broken. Traffic limits, you gotta figure this shit out. I think another one click out of the back might help it squat a little bit more.
Well, that's not going to make a weight transfer.
No, it'll want to, you know, lift the front end up and get the weight.
We need some of the weight transfer, but let me get it figured out. I'll pull more timing on the gear retard.
Okay.
Last time they had the car at the track, they didn't have the limiter chains on the front of it. It wasn't strapped, so the car actually hooked and tracked a lot straighter. Since then, he's put the limiters and everything on it, so we're gonna try to make some adjustments on the suspension and go out there for another final licensing pass and get everything certified for the NHRA license. Ready for take two? So you gotta pull the chute on this one, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll put out first call now for probe.
So what happened on that one?
Oh, it blew the tires off. I don't think I got a good enough burnout. I really need to smoke the tires good. So this next time, we're just going to go ahead and just, you know, heat the tires up, you know, and actually get a good third gear RPM, you know.
Yeah, because they're not going to count that one. Was it just because you didn't run a 9, or you parachuted too late, or what happened?
No, it didn't do 150.
Oh, that's right. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's right. All right, guys. So second pass, 10.5 at 138. Got better on that 60 foot, but when he tried to go into a second gear, it lost traction. So like Nate said, we're going to try to do a little bit better burnout this time around. Jake actually is looking at the logs, and he just made the comment that apparently the entire pass he never once actually went full throttle, so he was pretty much pedaling the entire time. Like you said, unfortunately, that's not going to count as far as it's concerned for his licensing, just because of the fact that he didn't trap 150 miles an hour. So we're going to have to go back out there again, give it another licensing pass, this time also with the chute, and see what we can do.
I did bump in.
You weren't on the
I should have been straight on the 100%.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
I was like, what's he doing? He started bumping in without nitrous. So I was like, you got to smack it and then when it's coming up, when the RPMs are coming up, that's when you need to bump in. So yeah, you left with no boost yet.
All right.
I mean, we're getting better.
Yeah, no, just need practice, but.
All right, so we finished our qualifying. He's got his licensing taken care of. He went 9.9 at 158, so we got our 158 mile an hour pass. I mean, wasn't really a great pass. The tracking really just not here today. This is time trials for the event that he's in now, and we finally got some progression here. You know, 932 at 161. Yeah, it's definitely not the best, but I mean it's a very, very positive increase.
The 168 60 foots because I freaking didn't have any boost when I came up. So we're learning the car now. As of now, when I run a pro tree, I need to turn on the first bulb, and then when the other car turns on its second bulb, I mat it to the floor, and as I'm coming up, as the nitrous is bringing the boost up, I got to bump in, turn on my second bulb, and then be ready to take off.
Yeah.
So I'm learning the car. This is learning process, and it's been years since I've been in a drag car, especially at this caliber.
Yeah, and I mean, that's what we're here for. But ultimately, she's been doing really, really good. We did have one small little transmission leak that was just
back.
Yeah, so
Figure out what's going on.
we gotta figure out what's going with that. We thought it was a fitting that was loose, tighten the fitting down, but he did notice it's coming back through again, so he's gonna have to take a look at that, find out what's going on. But outside of that, everything has been holding up pretty stellar on the car. Alright, well, so here's what's going on right now, a little update. Car just went 9-1, 161. Nate made a really, really clean pass, but the problem is it's shut down, and we're not sure what's going on. From the looks of it, having issues with some cam timing. We think it might be vapor locked on the actual primary side of the primary injector side of the fuel rail. So Nate and Jake are kind of taking a look at things right now. They're trying to figure out what's going on with it, and hopefully we're not done for the night and we can continue racing and see if we can get this thing back down into the 8s. So, all right, and there it is. So last pass, 1.6 on the 60 foot. We've got 6.0 in the 8th, so that's not too shabby there. Went 9.1 at 161 in the actual quarter, so we're getting better. His driving is getting better every pass. Things are going really, really good. Right into a little bit of an issue with cam timing, but we've got that all sorted out and everything. Car kind of shut down on the return road. Fuel tech noticed that there was an inconsistency in the tune, so it pretty much did what it was supposed to do and save the car. So you happy now the scare's over?
Yeah. The problem is, though, it doesn't mean that it's not going to do it again, you know? So now it's just time to figure out, you know, why it did it and how we can prevent it, you know? And as of this point, if I got to get a new cam, I got to get a new cam.
Yeah. Yeah, so essentially what's going on, guys, is on your cam ears, you have these little areas here, which are your
dowel pin.
Where your dowel pin lines up.
Because my dowel pin was all the way out. As you can see, it's way back in there.
Yeah, that's
it was
way
all the way forward.
Yeah, it's pretty much sitting flush, so. And of course, doing that, made the intake timing go off, which just caused us to have 40 degrees. About 40 degrees of timing, you know, out. No big deal. But fuel tech definitely came through and saved us on that one. So, got everything back together. Car's firing up now, perfectly fine. Yeah, we're ready to go back out and go racing. You know, you come back from watching people do a pull to find a bunny in your spoke.
He's pooping. Give him a minute. Just saying.
Carry on, bunny boy. Carry on.
Did you lift early? A little. Actually, short shifted it.
And my mile per hour is down. Oh, yeah, your mile per hour is down to.
Yeah, I short shifted
Nice
it though.
fucking tree, brother, man. Nice.
I saw it.
037 on the tree.
I saw the bolts and I was like, boom.
That was money.
That was fun. The track's tighter. I wish, you know.
I think it's fun still.
Yeah, it didn't feel like it though.
It was kicking up a little bit. I was right behind you, but yeah, you can't contend with a 63.
No, I can't. Yeah.
I mean,
So
he lifted way early too.
He did.
1.5, 6 foot. Oh well.
Back in the
We got a
8s.
whole bunch out of it though, so. Well,
Yeah. Yeah, as far as it goes for today, fortunately the 880 wasn't good enough. I mean, we lost to a 760 car, but I mean, second time out on the track, and man, this thing did not disappoint, you know, through all the challenges and everything we had today, the hiccups, you know, not even thinking we were going to be able to take it back out just a couple hours ago. Yeah, pretty happy to be able to hate this thing. So keep in mind, this is only the second outing we've ever had this thing out at the track too, and we're already, you know, running high 8s. You know, the thing's gonna be. Well, keep in mind too, this is only the second outing for the track, and you know we're already dipping into the 8s, so that's phenomenal. So anyway, appreciate you guys sticking around, watch it, stay tuned, and hit that subscribe and like button. Well, and that wraps up this episode here at Snailfed Performance. We appreciate you stopping by and checking out the channel. Hopefully you give us a like and subscribe for future updates on Mark's Evo, as well as other projects we have down the line. Have a great day, and thanks for coming by.